If you're searching for a stylish yet comfortable shirt that's perfect for a variety of occasions, the COOFANDY men's long sleeve Oxford shirt with a band collar is a fantastic option. Made from high quality grade cotton fabric, this shirt is incredibly skin friendly, lightweight, and breathable. This means you can stay cool and comfortable no matter what you're doing, making it ideal for summer wear. One of the standout features of this shirt is a banded collar. This unique design, also known as a mandarin collar, gives the shirt a relaxed yet polished look. It's great for sun protection and offers the flexibility to roll up the sleeves for an even more laid-back feel. The relaxed silhouette is perfect for casual and simple designs, making it versatile enough for both casual and semi-formal occasions. However, one minor downside is that you need to be mindful of the sizing. The fit of this shirt can vary, so checking the size chart carefully before purchasing is recommended. Despite this, the shirt is easy to care for, being machine washable and durable enough to maintain its quality over time. Overall, the COOFANDY men's long sleeve Oxford shirt with a band collar is a stylish, versatile, and comfortable choice. Its high quality fabric and unique design make it suitable for a wide range of occasions, ensuring you always look your best while feeling comfortable.